Hello students, welcome to our channel. I am Rekha Khola. Today in this video we shall learn about the major river in India. I hope this video will be very helpful to enhance your knowledge. So let's get started. Well, the major river in India can be divided into Himalayan rivers and the rivers of Indian plateau. The major Himalayan rivers are the river Ganga, the river Brahmaputra and the river Indus. These are not just rivers, they are river system. River Ganga is the longest and the most important rivers of India. It is 2,525 kilometers long and it flows through the states of Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand and West Bengal. River Ganga is the most sacred rivers to Hindus. It is also a lifeline to millions of Indians to live along its course and depend on it for the daily needs. River Ganga originates from Gangotri Glacier at Gomukh. The headquarters of Ganga is known as Bhagirathi. It joins river Alaknanda at Devprayag. And from here, the river is known as the Ganga. Yamuna is the second largest tributary of Ganga. River Yamuna originates at Yamunotri and joins Ganga at Allahabad. It is longest river in India, does not directly flow into the sea. The rivers joining Ganga from the north are Ramganga, Gomati, Ghagra, Rapti. Rapti joins Ghagra, Gandak and Kosi. River Ghagra is the largest tributaries of Ganga. The rivers joining Yamuna from the south are Chambal. Now, the tributaries of Chambal are Banas, Barbati, Kali Sindh. The other tributaries of Yamuna are rivers Sindh and Betwa. The tributaries of Betwa is Dasan and it is Kane and Tons. River Son join river Ganga. The tributaries of Son are Rihan and Koel. In West Bengal, river Ganga is joined by Mayurakshi and Damodar. Now coming to the next river, river Indus. Well, the Indus river is 3,180 kilometers long and this make it one of the longest river in Asia. The river originated in the western part of the Tibet in the vicinity of Mount Kailash and Lake Mansarovar. The river passes through Jammu and Kashmir before joining the Arabian Sea. It passes through Pakistan. It is the longest river and the national rivers of Pakistan. River Satluj is the largest tributaries of river Indus. It is originate from Rakshasthal Lake in Tibet. This river flows through the states of Himachal Pradesh, Punjab and join river Indus in Pakistan. The tributaries of Indus are Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Vyas and in other part the tributaries are Shyok, Gilgit and Jaskar. I hope you are getting my point. Now move to the next Brahmaputra river system. The next important Himalaya river is the river Brahmaputra. The river Brahmaputra is one of the major rivers of Asia which flow through China, India and Bangladesh. This river is 3,848 km long. River Brahmaputra is also called Sangpo in Tibet. It originates on the Chemyongdung Glacier located on the other side of the Himalayas in Puram County of Tibet. When I say county, a county is a geographical region of a country used for administrative or other purpose in certain modern nation. The Brahmaputra entered India in the state of Arunachal Pradesh where it is called Siang. In Assam, river is called Brahmaputra. In Bangladesh, The Brahmaputra is joined by the river Tista. Then it is known as Jamuna. Later on it is merged with the lower Ganga. Merged with the lower Ganga called the river Padma. In the final part of the river is called Meghna. Now the main tributaries of Brahmaputra rivers Tista, Dubri, Manas, Subansiri, Dibang, Lohit, Dhansiri and Meghna. River Meghna in the initial stage is known as Barak River, Surma. When it is turned south is known as Meghna. I hope you are getting my point. Now move to the next river system, Peninsular River System. The important rivers of the Indian plateau are Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri and Nanda, Tapti. River Mahanadi originates in Chhattisgarh. It is an important river of Chhattisgarh and Odisha. The tributaries of rivers Mahanadi are Sionath, Hasde, Mand, Ib, Ong and river Tail. The river Godavari is the second largest river in India after the river Ganga. It has its source at Trimbakeshwar. The main tributaries of river Godavari are Parvara, Pyuma, Venganga. Tributaries of Venganga are Penganga and the river Vardha. Then it is Manjara and Indravati. River Krishna originates in the Western Ghat near Mahabaleshwar. The main tributaries of Krishna are Bhima, Tungabhadra, Ghatprabha and Malprabha. Then it is river Pennar and the river Kaveri. The two important westward flowing river in India, Narmada and Tapti. River Narmada is the longest westward flowing rivers of India. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.